Okay, so Rachel and I are going to be going to the gym in a couple minutes, and it's already nighttime out, so it's kind of dark out there. So I'm hoping to kind of go out there and scare her. Usually she's texting, and so she's not looking up. And so anyways, we're going to see if I can scare her. And you might not be able to see too well as it's dark, but we'll see if maybe you can get a reaction out of her. Let's go. I have a feeling she saw me. She totally is looking at me. Oh, maybe not. Ah, no, you saw me! It didn't work. No. She's not scared.
No, it was creepy because I saw you out of the corner of my eye.
And then
you were like peeking around the car and I'm like, what is happening? This is so creepy.
I couldn't tell whether or not you were looking at me or if you were, I was like, or she's looking down. I was like, I think she sees me. Okay, anyways, we're driving to the gym. Hey YouTubers! So we are about to head off to the gym. As you can see, it's night again. I don't know, we end up filming at night well, the first vlog obviously, and this one. I guess
you're not even in your, I feel like awkward because I'm in my gym clothes.
I haven't got changed yet.
Like, just do it.
But we have our gym stuff and we're kind of ready to go.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
We're gonna head out
and like rock to some jams.
You guys get to see my amazing dance skills, and my voice is like really butchered today, even more than yesterday.
Her dancing when we drive is ridiculous.
Let's drive.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything when we're like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Don't let the light perfect lover. You and me at home, watch me hit it solo. I'ma do it a cappella. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. I'ma do it a cappella. Yeah. Okay, anyway, so we've made it to the gym and we're just gonna walk in right now. So this is me now and
waiting for Holly. Waiting for Holly.
And this is me now.
I am on the elliptical, la 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 la.
I'm kind of getting freaked out. I think it's just the wind, but it's like basically like a window that opens, or like a door that opens up to outside the roof.
That door goes to like a portal that goes into a parallel universe.
It's
so
like, what's it called? Doctor Who.
Yeah.
I don't watch Doctor Who.
I watch Doctor Who. I'm a Whovian.
It's good to do cardio before you start lifting any weights?
It warms up the body.
It does.
It warms up the body.
Always stretch before we sit. That's kind of some of the stuff I do during like a workout or whatever. But I can see in the mirror. Obviously, I usually do a lot more, but we're kind of strained for time right now.
It's late. We're going to sleep.
Yeah, so we need to get up early tomorrow and do stuff. Yeah. So anyways, and then we're gonna do abs every day. Do your abs.
Every day, do your abs.
Every day, do your abs.
Every day, we're doing abs.
Doing
abs.
Anyways, yeah. Workouts. Woo!
I wish I could dance.
I can't dance going camera. What?
I say I wish I could dance. Because that's why this is going to be awkward. Because I can't dance.
And that's how we work off our energy at the end of the gym. So that's our vlog for today.
It's our workout for the day.
It's nighttime and we want to sleep and eat. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for the next vlog and I hope you enjoyed today's
for
vlog.
watching.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.